What if you could get the wisdom from £1,000 course without having to spend a penny? Better yet, what if you could take your favourite business guru off YouTube, such as Ali Abdaal for example, and turn them into your own personal AI mentor, ready to answer your specific questions 24/7. I've helped hundreds of business owners stop wasting money on generic courses and instead tap into this exact expertise they need instantly. By the end of this short video, you'll have a tool that lets you clone the brain of any YouTube creator, giving you direct access to their knowledge tailored to your business. And stick around just for a moment, because I'm going to share the link to the free Chrome extension that makes all this possible with a single click. You don't want to miss it. Let's be honest. As a business leader, you're drowning in information, you're following brilliant creators on YouTube, people like Gary Vee for marketing, Ali Abdaal for productivity, or Ed Lawrence who gives away priceless video advice to generate leads. You watch their videos, you take notes, but when it comes to applying that knowledge to your specific situation, you hit a wall. Here's why. You have a unique question about your sales funnel, but with dozens or even hundreds of videos on their channels, it's a mountain of content. Finding that specific gem of advice feels impossible. So what's the logical step, or more tellingly, what do most people do next? Well, you'll see an ad for their exclusive mastermind or their £2,000 deep dive course. It promises personal guidance to a direct line to the expert, and it's tempting because you know their free content is good. So the paid stuff must be life-changing, right? But here's the problem. It's a huge investment, a bit of a gamble. What if the course is just a rehash of their same content from their videos? What if you spend all that money and you still don't get the specific answer you need? For many entrepreneurs, you're stuck between free content that's too broad and paid content that's too expensive. Now imagine having the best of both worlds. The targeted personal advice of a paid course using only the free content you already have access to. Here's how it works. Imagine you have a bucket. This bucket represents AI's brain. Right now it's empty. When you ask a generic AI question, it pulls answers from all over the entire internet. Some of it's good, some of it's terrible. It's not an expert in anything. But what if you could fill that bucket with only the expert knowledge of a specific creator? For example, you could take all 68 videos of Ed Lawrence's channel, every webinar, every tutorial, every case study, and pour them into this bucket. When you ask it a question, it only gives you an answer based on what Ed would say. You've essentially created a digital clone of your favourite mentor. This isn't just theory, it's actually possible with just one click. Are you ready to try this yourself? Let me show you exactly how you unlock your AI mentor in under 5 minutes. First, you're going to grab the free extension I mentioned. There's a link in the description, by the way. Have a look. It's called YouTube for NotebookLM. Installation takes like 5 seconds. Once it's in your browser, you'll see a little icon up here. Oh, and by the way, I've personally messaged the creator of this extension, and I believe it is secure. There are also extra steps you can take to make it even more secure if you want to double check for yourself. I've linked in the description my Reddit chat with the creator so you can have a look and make sure you're happy with it. Next, you need to navigate to the YouTube channel of the expert you want to model. We'll use Ed Lawrence as our example. You go to his main channel page where you can see all his videos. Now here's the real magic. Since we're on the creator's main page, you'll see that the extension has added a NotebookLM button. This is the one we want. Clicking this adds all their videos instantly to NotebookLM, cloning their entire brain. The extension is now working in the background like a mastermind. It's grabbing the transcripts of every single video on that channel and compiling them into a single knowledge source inside Google's NotebookLM, a free AI tool designed for exactly this purpose. After a minute or two, you'll see the creator's videos listed as sources in your NotebookLM. Now a quick heads up. The free version of NotebookLM has a limit of 30 sources, so it's only going to import the most recent 30 videos. If you're on a subscription or the Google Workspace version, you have up to 300 sources per notebook. So as long as the creator hasn't got more than 300 videos, you'll get all of them. For those with more, you'll get the first 300, which is generally more than enough. Now you can ask it anything. Watch this. The AI scans all 65 video transcripts and synthesizes the answer in his style, using his frameworks. And look, it even cites the exact videos the information came from. This is not a generic answer from the web. This is a targeted response built straight from the mind of the expert you trust. Your very own one-to-one consultation for free. So why does this matter for your business? Everything changes. You no longer have to waste hours hunting through endless videos for that one answer. You don't have to risk thousands on courses that might not even be right for you. You now have a digital library of digital mentors at your fingertips. For example, you want marketing advice? Create an AI for Seth Godin's talks. Need a negotiation tactics? Build one from Chris Voss's interviews. This tool gives you an unfair advantage. It allows you to move faster, make smarter decisions, and hyper-specific advice tailored immediately to your problems. This is how you get the value of a high-ticket coaching program for free with the resources you already have access to. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start getting answers from experts on demand, your first step is to download the free Chrome extension. I put the link directly below this video in the description. Click that link, install the tool, and create your first AI mentor in the next 5 minutes. And if you want more strategies on how to leverage AI and scale your content and business, make sure you subscribe now, because we're just getting started. Go get that extension and let me know in the comments which creator you're going to model first.